like a potion. Uncover all the secrets to a place you never knew existed.
Tinka, Lalala, and the magic Moana. 100 years ago in Samoa, there was one celebrity to rule them all. Not Jonah Lomu, not even Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I'm talking about our national bird, Manumea. He was like a big movie star. He was a symbol that unified us as a people. But then one day, just like that, Manumea up and disappeared. Poof. We thought we'd never see Manumea again. But one little girl named Talia changed all that.
Dear Lord, I'm worried about Manumea. He's the national bird of Samoa. We hear all about him at school, see his pictures like everywhere, even on the 20 tala notes, but I've never actually seen him. Can you help me, God? Tele alofa Talia. Ah! Who are you?
I'm Tinka, Lalala, Polly Godmother, Saviour of the Pacific, answer to your prayers.
Like a fairy.
Close enough. Now, you said you were looking for Big Bird?
I want to find Manumea, our national bird, symbol of hope and protector.
Got it. Well, let's go find him.
Talia and Tinka Lalala were like Google Maps. They looked everywhere, even at Auntie Sina's house.
Excuse me?
Sorry, Auntie. We're trying to find Manumea.
You can only find Manumea by going deep into the forest.
Tinka Lalala and Talia went deep into the forest, which was a lot scarier than Auntie had said. But just as they were about to become dinner, Tinka Lalala and Talia were saved by some mysterious Jackie Chan ninja bird.
Manumea!
Yes, it is me.
Thank you for saving us, Manumea. It is a huge honor to meet you.
Everyone wants to see you again, Manumea. Your Samoa's pride and joy.
No, that's nice. But no, I'm not going back.
Why?
Look, back in the day, the people would come from all over the motu just to see me. Some fancy guys would even paint me on their old school portraits, like a flag, you know, sort of thing. But then, early one morning, I was woke up to the tree I was living being cut down. Yes, they say the woods from these trees is get used to build these people's fales. But I couldn't understand why my home had to be chopped down just to make a fale for someone else. That was my fale. I was so sad and crying, and even though I'm not good at flying, I was flown away to the deep, deep forest to hide because I was so angry.
This gave Tinka Lalala an idea. If Manumea had a home, he wouldn't have left. So, if there were trees for him to live in, he might come back. They planted magic seeds in every place they could think of. And by the next morning, something amazing happened. Trees had grown overnight, and the people from all over the motu came to see, including Auntie Sina.
Eh? You wake me up ready to look at trees?
Look up at the tree, Auntie.
It's... No, it couldn't be.
Manumea.
Hello, everybody! Manumea is back!
And so, Manumea had returned to take his rightful place as Samoa's national bird and protector. Now, he could live the rest of his days in peace, which is why we must all help to protect our forests and plant more trees, so that our precious wildlife has a place to call home.
Moana.